How to fix games keep crashing on Windows 11. So if your games keep crashing on Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you've opened your settings, now here you may have systems option. Click on systems, and under systems you will have power and battery. Click on that power and battery, and under your battery you will have the battery saver, and then under the power mode or the power you will have this kind of option. So you need to simply go for the right side and then click on this best power efficiency, and you need to click on best performance. And once you've choose best performance, now you need to go back and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply go for the Windows. You need to simply right click on the Windows and then go for run. And once you're here on the run, you need to simply enter sysdm.cpl and then OK. So you will get a new tab. So under the new tab, you can simply go for the advanced. And under advanced, here you will have the performance, which says visual effects, processors, scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. So you need to simply click on the settings. And here you need to choose the third option, which is adjust for best performance. And then click on OK and click on apply. So click on apply and then OK. And once you've done that, now your computer will be smooth. Now click on apply and then click on OK. And once you've done that, now you need to restart your device or your PC or laptop, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your games keep crashing on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.